Apple is about to flip the script on everything we thought we knew about their 2026 release schedule. Forget the old rumors that had the powerful MacBooks coming first. We are looking at a massive Uno reverse card move where Apple plans to drop 10 new products across 3 separate events in just the next 3 months. This is a product blitz like we have never seen before. It all starts this February with a major shift toward budget-friendly devices and powerful updates to the iPad lineup. The first big star of the show is the iPhone 17e. For years, budget iPhone users have been asking for one specific feature, and it is finally happening. The 17e is expected to include built-in MagSafe charging. This has been a huge missing piece for the SE and older budget models. Under the hood, this phone is a beast. It will likely feature the new A19 chip, the C1X modem for lightning-fast 5G, and the N1 chip for Wi-Fi 7. There's a bit of a debate among leakers regarding the design, though. Some say it will finally get the dynamic island and slim bezels, while others believe Apple might stick to the old notch to keep it from competing too closely with the standard iPhone 17. Alongside the new phone, we are expecting the 12th generation iPad. While we initially hoped for an A19 chip here, it looks like Apple is opting for the A18. The good news is that this chip comes with 8 GB of RAM. That is the magic number needed to support Apple Intelligence features. You should not expect a total redesign, but there is a strong rumor that the price could drop to an incredible $299. If that happens, it will be the ultimate entry-level tablet for students and casual users. We might also see a refreshed iPad Air with the M4 chip. This update is strictly about power. You'll get a massive performance boost, but the screen will likely stay at 60 Hz. This means you won't get that ultra-smooth 120 Hz scrolling found on the Pro models. But for most people, the M4 speed will be more than enough for daily tasks and creative work. As we move into March, the focus shifts to the heavy hitters. We are expecting the M5 Pro and M5 Max MacBook Pros. These were originally rumored for earlier in the year, but software delays and the Chinese New Year holiday likely pushed them back to the week of March 2nd. These laptops will be the pinnacle of portable power. To go along with them, Apple is reportedly preparing the Studio Display 2. This new monitor is rumored to feature a 27-inch mini LED screen with enhanced HDR. While some hoped for 120 Hz promotion, recent code leaks suggest Apple might settle on a 90 Hz refresh rate. It is still a step up from the current model and will likely include the A19 chip to handle advanced display processing. The third month, April, could be the biggest of them all because it marks Apple's 50th anniversary. To celebrate, Tim Cook is rumored to be reviving a legend, the 12-inch MacBook. This isn't just a trip down memory lane. This new 12-inch model is expected to start as low as $599. It will use an iPhone-class chip, either the A18 Pro or A19 Pro, which actually outperforms older M1 and M2 chips. Because it uses a mobile chip, the battery life will likely be the best ever seen in a laptop. It will be super thin, fanless, and perfect for anyone who misses the ultimate portability of the original 12-inch design. April is also when we expect the Gemini Siri revolution. This is a massive AI upgrade for Siri, and it will likely debut alongside a brand new home product, the Apple Home Hub. Think of this as an iPad that lives on your wall or a speaker stand. It will have Face ID to recognize who is talking to it and use Gemini-powered AI to manage your calendar, notes, and smart home devices. It's designed to be the brain of your house. We also expect a new Apple TV 4K with the A17 Pro chip and Wi-Fi 7, and potentially the M5 MacBook Air to round out the spring lineup. My opinion on these releases is that Apple is finally getting serious about the budget market. The 12-inch MacBook at $599 and a $299 iPad would be absolute game changers for students. While the M5 MacBooks are great for pros, the real story here is Apple making their ecosystem more affordable for everyone else. This 50th anniversary blitz is shaping up to be one of the most exciting times in the company's history.